Hi everyone, my name is Domenica Intriago. I'm a part of Dr. G's Chemistry 2 laboratory class, and today I will be talking about Experiment 5, the factors affecting reaction rates. I will be talking about Part B, the nature of the reactant metals with hydrochloric acid, but I do want to give a small introduction about the whole experiment, not only Part B. When the concentration of a reactant is increased, this will speed up the reaction. This means when the number of molecules that have low energy increase. It is different for each state of matter. Gases, for example, have a similar effect when the pressure is changed. Temperature, concentration, surface area, and catalyst are factors that affect the reaction rate of a chemical reaction. Now moving on to the chemicals and materials that we'll be using today, we have our copper, we have magnesium, zinc, hydrochloric acid, 3 test tubes, steel wool, and forceps. Now, the nature of the reactants, how do different metals react with a common acid? Here's where I will be explaining the steps for the experiment. So, our first step will be label the 3 test tubes with the metal symbols and place them in a test tube rack. Step 2 will be us filling up the test tubes with 6 molarity hydrochloric acid with it, which is going to be the concentration. We have to make sure that they all have the same amount of milliliters. Step 3, we have to make sure to clean the zinc, magnesium, and copper metals with steel wool. And after step 3, do not touch the metal with your hands to avoid any cross-contamination. Step 4, we will be using the forceps to transfer the strip of metal into its corresponding test tube. And for step 5, we have to make sure to write down our observations of all the reactions and the time needed for each piece of metal to be dissolved in the reaction. I will not be showing the time needed for it to be dissolved, just because I want to show more so my observations. So for part 1, we did our copper metal reaction with hydrochloric acid. The bronze-colored solid copper string did not dissolve or react with the clear hydrochloric acid solution, which left us with a bronze-colored solid copper string and a clear hydrochloric acid solution. For part 2, we did our magnesium metal reaction with hydrochloric acid. The silver-colored magnesium reacted and dissolved with the clear hydrochloric acid solution. During the reaction, it produced bubbles and released hydrogen gas, therefore leaving us with a clear solution of magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. I have taken the liberty to put the equations and the balanced equation of the reaction. And for part 3, we did our zinc metal reaction with hydrochloric acid. The black and silver solid zinc reacts and dissolves with the clear hydrochloric acid solution. During the reaction, it produced bubbles and released hydrogen gas, therefore leaving us with a light gray solution of zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. I hope you like my explanation of experiment 5, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.